Everyone definitely has a charm that should be useful in living everyday life. Which certainly everyone has a different charm. However, there are some people who do not know how to show their charm when dealing with other people. First, showing friendly smile. A smile can bring a better mood. In addition, when you smile, people who are near you can be infected with good energy from you. Especially if you join in by asking about the latest news or talking about pleasant things together, then your personality will become more likable. Even more bonus if you have a beautiful and charming smile while perfecting this trick. Next, showing care to others. When you first meet someone, you can try to ask about the latest news. This makes him think you care and care about him besides making him feel comfortable with you. In the meantime, you can appreciate the looks you see on him. For example, giving him praise or soothing words can also be done to create a relationship that feels warmer. Your care can make people feel more noticed and give them a new comfort with you. And other than that, you need to increase curiosity. If there is something new or interesting information, you can try to find out and understand it more deeply. Showing curiosity will make you more enthusiastic and more enthusiastic. The spirit of this curiosity can make the people around you feel more enthusiastic. The positive impact of this situation can increase a person's charm because we look like an enthusiastic and capable person. Beside that, share experience. You can open up a conversation or present a positive impact to your closest people by sharing your stories or life experiences. You can open up a little to make others feel comfortable to communicate with you. Life experiences don't have to be too personal. Everyday experiences that have just happened can also become a topic of conversation. Without us realizing it, our charm is seen in a way that increases self-confidence and becomes a confident person. The last one is inserting a sense of humor. A little laughter, a simple joke, or a joke can lighten the mood. If you have a bit of a humorous side, you can use it to feel closer to the people around you. Something pleasant or something that can be laughed at can open a conversation or communication to be more comfortable. In addition, you can prevent an awkward atmosphere and relationship with others by showing that you are a person who can get along well even with strangers. Here are small and simple things to increase your charm. The main thing is self-confidence. If you are a confident person, you definitely have no problem being a person who has ideal charm. That's all I share this time. Hope it's useful and see you again in the next video.